Hey.
You alright?
Yeah. You're going to get everything in?
Yeah.
Get going.
Alright.
Ah, you got here before us. Could have started some work while we was on our way. Anyway, this week we're at Frankie Richies, obviously again, as you can see. And this week we're doing the hallway and the back bedroom. And fingers crossed, this will be our last week here.
Yeah.
A lot of work to do though.
Yeah. But I'm sure we'll get it done.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll get it done.
Let's crack on.
Yeah.
Right, you grab everything in, I'll put the kettle on first.
Right.
So here we are back at Frankie Richies for a third week of renovating their French farmhouse. Obviously we're not doing all the renovations, but we have been asked to come in and do the pointing of the walls. Now, in the last couple of episodes you would have seen we finished the kitchen and dining area, pointing the walls in there, repairing the fireplace. There's still work to do on the fireplace, which will be a whole different project. We've got the snug area that we finished the wall on. We had some issues in there, but you would have seen that in the episode. We are now on to the hallway area. And what we're going to concentrate on today is this, the old sink. I love in these old properties, these stone sinks. I just think they're such a great feature to keep. And that's what we're doing with Frankie Richies. So Ted has done a lot of work on this, the brick area. He's done a load of clearing up of the bricks, and let me just show you that footage that he did last week of clearing the brickwork.
I'll say it again. Whoever painted these stones deserves a punch on the bracket. Don't paint these stones. Look how beautiful they are without the paint on them. Hey, that's taken me probably 3 hours to clean all this up and to clean these 4 there and these 2 here, and I've still got stuff to do on it. It's probably taken 3 hours to do that.
It does look amazing though. Looks so much better without all that paint.
This piece here, I love.
Do you think though there's loads of those stones have got like as if they're dressed stones? Do you think they come from? Yeah. Do you think they come from somewhere else?
No, undoubtedly they come from somewhere else. Undoubtedly.
Because I noticed even like around the windows, some of that stone's dressed stone.
Yeah, you know, I'm sure they've come from somewhere else. These tiny little windows would have never been put in here. You know, you don't put little windows like that. You just, you know, oh, that's a bit warm.
So how many blades you broke?
So this is I've broke 3. This is my last one. Yeah, there's a, look, you can see there's actually, I can't get it bugger out. There's actually, look, there's an old bit of blade in there, stuck in there, which is one of the other ones that broke. It's the only thing that touched it. You know, the renovator didn't touch it. The renovator just made like steel, like silver marks on it, like those. You know, they don't even touch it. So you have to take the front face of the stone off. It's the only way to get down to this. It's like, because otherwise you can't do it.
I think it's because it's soft stone that everything eats into it. So if you put, you put paint, you put cement, anything on it, it just eats it up, and then it is so bloody hard to get off.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there was a lot of work done there, and they've come up really, really lovely, really nice. So I'm going to start pointing the brickwork. We've got some repairs to do where we've got a bit of a gap here, but we've brought some bricks with us, so that's fine. And then we'll get on with the rest of the pointing. We've got a big gap here that we need to sort out. I've also brought some stone. It's quite funny actually, because we're so used to having at the chateau so many bits of stone hanging around. We've got piles of stone, so whenever you need a bit of stone, you just go to one of the bowls and find it, but they haven't got that here, so I had to make sure I remember to bring the stone with me this week. So bought some stones so we can infill the gap here, mortar up to the door frame, and then point the rest of the hallway. I think it's time we ought to crack on, and I think Ted's doing the mix at the moment, so let's go see how he's getting on.
Right, so while Lisa's doing in there in the hallway, I'm in the last room that we're going to tackle, which is like a small bedroom or something like that. And behind me, you will see above this fireplace is a similar situation that we had in the kitchen area. However, looking at it, it looks in a pretty bad way with lots of something, probably kind of plaster or something over the top. Two big holes, which we'll get to. So we've got to repair two big holes instead of one. But first of all, we've got to get all the stuff out of the joints, and then we've got to clean the face of these, which are like terracotta tiles really, bricks, and hopefully we can get that into a state that we did in the other room, and it'll look just as nice. Should we do a bit of quick time?
So, we're finished!
Yay!
Job complete at Frankie Richies. This week has been quite good actually, because the hallway, that went quite quickly doing the hallway, didn't it?
It did.
I think it's because you did all the prep on the stonework, on the bricks and everything.
Yeah.
Cleaned it all up. Now, the thing with a lot of this stone, you'll notice in here, we haven't cleaned the stone in here. It wasn't part of our job to clean the stone, but we did some of it in some areas. And I just think it looks really lovely cleaned up. But this is something obviously Frankie and Richie can do as they go along each room. Our job was to come in and do the pointing and repair the fireplaces. And I think this one, the same as the one in the kitchen, this had 2 holes in it. You can't see with those holes.
I think it looks fantastic. I really do. I just noticed a bit of this. But yeah, I think it looks really nice. It's not as nice, the stone and everything as the one in there, but I think it came up pretty well considering what it was when we started.
It was really
Carving
bad,
plaster and, you know, like Lisa said, 2 big holes. I think it's come up nice. And the rendering at the back makes it look really, really usable now.
Yeah.
And hopefully they'll be able to sort that out.
Yeah, and then tidy up the fireplace.
And then the walls look great as always. We never need to worry about the walls.
Yeah.
Because they all look good. But yeah, the stone needs cleaning. That's going to be a bit of a task. I'm sure we'll have a chat about them. I've got an idea of how I do it, but it's going to be messy.
Yeah, that's the only thing with that type of thing, isn't it? So much dust. However, it's good that they're doing it now while the place is empty.
Before they get anything sorted out, really. Start putting, do everything first, then start putting your frills in.
So, a job's here done. We need to pack our car up and leave and lock the door for the very last time.
Make sure we've got everything. Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen the previous episodes of Frankie and Richies, the link's in the description, and the whole playlist for the Montmagna on tour, where we're going out to help other expats do their houses up. The link's in the description. So go and take a look. And
like and subscribe, please. Comment and all that good stuff. And we'll see you again next week.
When we're back at the Chateau and we're continuing the work in the laundry room.
The little bits and pieces that need doing.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Take care, everyone.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Right.
Come on in.
Oh, good job, baby.
Just before the rain will come.
Yeah.